How to save Reels on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to save and download Facebook Reels to watch later or keep for offline viewing. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the home page where you can view all your feed content. Following that, scroll through your feed until you find the reel you want to save. Now, tap on the reel to open it in full screen mode. Moving forward, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the reel. Afterwards, a menu will appear with different options for that reel. In addition to that, tap on Save Video to add it to your saved collection. Once you've tapped Save, the reel will be stored in your Saved Items folder. Subsequently, you can access your saved reels anytime by going to your profile. Moreover, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Saved to view all your saved content. Then tap on Reels or Videos to filter and find your saved Facebook Reels. Within this section, all your saved reels will be organized and ready to watch. Alternatively, if you want to download the reel to your device, tap the three dots again. Once the menu appears, look for Download or Save to Device option if available. Then the reel will be saved directly to your phone's gallery for offline access. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you save reels on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.